Hey guys, so today I'm going to be taking you through our routine for today. And as you can see, my brother is awake and he's opening the content, and I'm awake too. And the first thing we need to do, dress our bed. As you can see, guys, first thing in the morning, you dress your bed, then you go brush your teeth. As you can see, we're brushing your teeth right now, and we need to brush our teeth every morning when you wake up, and you need to make your teeth so clean.
And now we're gonna go for our morning devotion, and we're gonna see how the rest of the day goes.
So guys, as you can see, we're doing our morning devotion. As you can see, right now it's time for us to eat breakfast. My mom is making breakfast for us, and our breakfast is pancake, egg, and bacon. And right now, my mom is mixing the flour and the egg.
So guys, now my mom is frying the pancake. Guys, now my mom is mixing the eggs. Guys, now my mom is frying the egg. Guys, that food was good. Baking, eggs, and pancake. That is really nice. You should try it. So guys, now we're done eating and now we're washing our dishes. And now guys, remember, always wash your dishes when you're done eating. So guys, it's reading time. Always have a specific time to learn about new things. So guys, here I'm learning about Abraham Lincoln.
On this continent, a new nation. Moby, I'm trying to practice the Gettysburg Address. It's an important speech that was given by President Abraham Lincoln. I wonder what he was like as a kid. Good idea, Moby. We can find out by reading his biography. That's a book that tells you about someone's life. What was Abraham Lincoln like before he was president? Abraham Lincoln was born in a log cabin in Kentucky on February 12th, 1809. Whoa, that was about 200 years ago. His parents were farmers and moved to Indiana for better land. As a boy, Lincoln worked and didn't have much time for school, but he loved to read and he borrowed lots of books.
So guys, we're about to go to my aunt's house and we're gonna spend some hours in there. So see you when we get there. So guys, we made it to our aunt's house and now it's time to have some fun. So guys, it's time to have some fun. So see you in a bit. So guys, I feel so refreshed. I just finished having a bath and I feel so refreshed. And here is my outfit.
So guys, I'm done having a shower and I feel refreshing, guys.
So guys, our aunt is cooking our traditional food, plantain and fish. And guys, if you have not tried it, try it and it is super good.
So guys, as you can see, I was talking to my grandma. I miss her so much and I can't wait to see her. I love you, grandma, so much. Mwah.
So guys, we're done at our aunt's place. It's time to go home. So subscribe to our channel.
Hit that notification bell, give a big thumbs up and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.